Good morning children, welcome to your GK class. So today this video is for class 4 and today in our class we are doing page number 41, Festivals of India. So today we learn about the different festivals that we celebrate in our country, India. So let's begin students. Festivals of India. Number 1. Dash celebrates the day Ram returned to Ayodhya. So what is the day that tells us the day when Ram returned to Ayodhya? It is Diwali. Okay, so we all know that during Diwali we light up our homes with diyas and candles, and it is all because we are celebrating the return of Lord Ram into Ayodhya. Okay. Next, number 2, with Dash is celebrated as the day Jesus Christ rose from the dead. So, what is that day, children? That is Easter. So, on the Easter day, you can see in the picture how the children are celebrating. So, that Easter day is the day when Jesus Christ actually took a rebirth, rose from the dead. Actually not a rebirth, only for a day he had come back from his death. Okay, so that is celebrated as Easter day. Next, number 3, Dash is the birthday of Jhulelal worshipped by the Sindhis. So it is Cheti Chand. Okay, Cheti Chand. So here you can see. So Cheti Chand is the birthday of Jhulelal, and Jhulelal is the lord of the Sindhis. Okay. Next, number 4. Dash is one of the two main holy festivals of the followers of Islam worldwide. So it is Eid ul Adha. So Eid ul Adha is actually the festival of Islam, and it is one of the main festival. One is Ramzan and one is Eid ul Adha. Okay, it is one of the two main holy. Two is Ramzan and Eid ul Adha, and Eid ul Adha is one of the two main holy festivals of followers of Islam worldwide. Next, we are moving on to our number 5. Dash celebrates the bond of affection between brothers and sisters. So this we all know. So this is Raksha Bandhan. So in Raksha Bandhan we tie sisters tie Raksha Bandhan to their brothers. So it is a bond of affection. So it is a bond of love and affection between brothers and sisters. So this is about Raksha Bandhan. Next, number 6, children. Dash is one of the largest festivals of Kerala. It celebrates the homecoming of King Mahabali. So as we celebrate the return of Lord Rama as Diwali, similarly the people of Kerala, they celebrate the homecoming of King Mahabali. Okay, Mahabali is returning back to his home. So that day is celebrated as Onam festival. So that was the day when actually King Mahabali had returned to his home. So it is known as Onam festival. So people eat variety foods, they celebrate, they dance, and they celebrate this with lot of pomp and valor. Okay. Next, number 7. Dash is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. So you can see Pongal is the festival, and it is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. This is also celebrated in the south, and this is actually the time when the harvest season begins. So that is why it is celebrated as Pongal. Okay, children. Next, the last one, number 8. Dash is a Sikh festival celebrating the birthday of Guru Nanak. Everybody is aware of this, children. So this is Guru Purab. So you know, this is, as you can see in the picture, this is Gurudwara, and here you can see the picture of Guru Nanak also. So he is the famous Sikh Guru, and so his birthday is celebrated. Okay, and that is celebrated in the Gurudwara serving langar. So that is known as Guru Purab. Okay, children. So with this we are coming to the end of this exercise. So today we will be doing only this much, children. With this we come to the end. So here I have given you all the answers. You can check it out. First one is Diwali, number 2 is Easter, number 3 is Cheti Chand, number 4 is Idul Adha, number 5 is Raksha Bandhan, number 6 is Onam, number 7 is Pongal, and number 8 is Guru Purab. If you have any problems, you can just see the words in your help box also, okay, which is provided below the page. This much for today, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.